Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a website on Profreehost. So let's get started. As you can see, they are providing us a lot of free options over here. On the left side, you can see we have so many features like 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases, and even control panel, website builder, 100% free, no hidden charges, free subdomains, and 100% uptime. So they are offering a lot of stuff. And what you need to do, just click on register. I have already logged in. You can just use your Gmail or any email account. It's not restricted to anything. So just click on register now and you can just register it. I have already logged in. That's why it might end up in the login menu and we can just log in right away. Once you register your account for the first time, you might end up over here and they will ask you to go to your email and start activation. So this is what I'm going to do now. Once you activate your account, you will end up over here. Here you can see that we have a create new account button over here. Just click on that and you will end up over here. Here you are going to enter your domain, your custom domain. If you have custom domain, you need to paste these name servers in your domain, or you can go with a free domain. You can also change it later on, obviously. But for now, I'm going with the new one. So I'm going to check the availability that it is available or not. So just click on this option and you will see that it is available. Just click on take over here. After you create your account, you will end up over here. Here you can see that we just created our domain from over here. And you can just click on manage. Once you click on manage, you will end up over here. And here you can see that our status is active right now. Now we just need to create a website. So how you can do that? Click on control panel. It will open up a new window and you just need to wait for a while. It might take some time. You will see something like this and you just need to approve it from over here. Wait for the panel to load. And here we are. This is kind of cPanel over here. What you need to do, just scroll down until you will end up in software section. Click on software equals app installer. It will open up a new window. And here you can see we have WordPress over here. Just click on WordPress and after that click on install. And here you are going to choose your installation URL and every single thing, your username and email address. Just remember that. Make sure to save this somewhere so you can log in later on. And after that, just click on select theme. I'm going with this one, select theme. Yes. And I'm going to set this up. And after that, click on install. Click on install. And you need to wait for a while. It might take some 3 or 4 minutes. And once you click on install, you will see that congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And now you can go to your website, obviously, and you can view your admin page also from over here. And if it doesn't work right away, just wait for a while. It will work. So, sometimes it takes some like 5 or 10 minutes. But right now you can see that WordPress has been successfully installed. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to create a website on Profreehost. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.